Let us follow the legacy they have kept before us. I must say a word in connection with Dr. Manmohan Singh. He was not born with a silver spoon. He did his schooling with the help of other family members. With their support only he completed his education in India. When he got opportunities to study abroad in foreign universities like Cambridge and I remember his London, he was offered with a job of high profile. But he neglected it and came back to India and worked in Punjab University. See, these are all very good examples before us. India became an economic power during the leadership of Dr. Manmohan Singh. He excelled as an economist and at the same time as a prime minister, a strong prime minister. Now these days, you have listened the achievements of other people, other Indians too. A. Gukesh became the world chess champion. And one more person was in the news day before yesterday. How many of you remember? Yes, Floral. She became the woman world champion for rapid chess championship. Yesterday, ISRO achieved the biggest achievement that is yet to be revealed, but they are successful in the first labs. The SpaceX PSLV C-60 launched SpaceX. It is to dock 2 satellites. All these achievements are from people like us, students like us. They were not with exceptional qualities. They made use of their available resources. Here is my question. Are we making use of our available facilities? Are we thankful to the situations we have? Are we thankful to the luxuries we enjoy? Just have a look at your routine. How are you spending your time? How are you utilizing your time? Do you know your parents are giving you the best? According to them, this is your best-in-class facility they have provided you with. Are we making use of it? See, there is a Gukesh among you, another Koneru Hampi among you, an ISRO scientist in you. But we are after all these Instagram, WhatsApp, YouTube and whatever things I do not know even how to mention them. This is a time for reflecting yourself and come back and realize what you are and who you are and own up your own responsibilities. Let us become a good citizen and a good family member and a person useful to the society. May God bless you. Thank you.